Boss. He'll even tell me, hey, Tango. Tango, I'm the boss. I'm the boss. Tango, give me some kisses. Tango, say, charge! Tango, do your tricks. Tango, say, charge! Tango, say, charge! You're bad. I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you. Oh, did he get you?
Yeah.
Sorry.
I do.
Sorry. Better than your head.
Yeah.
Let's see. What else does he got to write them down because I can't always remember. Do your tricks. Tango, say hello. 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 We'll play fight, and usually after we're done play fighting, he'll tell me he loves me, just to reassure me that he knows.
You're the one with the shirt.
Oh, okay.
Let me hold your ball.
Yeah, thanks. Come see Daddy. I'm gonna try to see if I can get him to growl. All right. I'm gonna get you. Tango.
He's so close to the ceiling.
Tango.